1, 2, live.
1 toe.
Oh, it's terrifying.
2 toe.
Oh, God. Oh, my God, Tyler.
It's not working. You gotta get one of where it's actually working. And it will. What the heck, man? I know I made it. Don't lie to me, I know I made it. This ticks me off, Garrett. Screw you.
You have a backup, don't you?
What, does this reaction not work either, huh? When you have mercury thiocyanate, don't, that smells, don't make a paste out of it. It needs to be on the ground.
Yeah. We just do this at home.
No, this is way too dangerous.
Really? In the backyard?
I don't know. Then you have the wind to worry about. Is it a lot?
I mean, it's enough.
It's a little damp still.
You take the fume hood for granted, you know?
It would probably go if I kept on it, but I had to take a breath. Some of it was reacting, but not that much.
Are you sad? It's okay to be sad.
It wants to go though. It does want to react. I think it'll work. I really do. We're gonna get something out of this carrot. By the end of this, it's gonna grow at least an inch. It's growing, Garrett. It's going. It's actually going. Look, 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 look. Look it down.
You're just burning it up now. It's gone. It's like going away.
I've made it disappear.
You calling it?
Yep. I made mercury thiocyanate. I don't think I dried it very well. But actually, okay, hold on. This isn't catching fire. Do you find that weird?
It's just a piece of grass and it's green, so it's gonna kind of eat away. It's not gonna just like poof.
But it would catch fire.
I think.
It would catch fire just like a match would.
No.
I think being out
it's
here.
a grass.
I think being out here, things don't catch fire. Can we leave this stuff out here? Ready?
Yep. From what I saw, it looks good. What about you? How's it look?
It's not going very well. So I got one question for you.
For the audience?
Why does it keep doing this to me? I mean, it worked better. We could probably salvage a video out of this, but I really wanted a better thing, you know?
Well, this is the first run. You never know.
We do have another half. So last time it was just a miserable failure, right? because it was like cottage cheese. It wasn't dry enough.
Yep.
This one was pretty dry. I don't know if it has to be more dry. Like what? It was like really dry. Last time I let it dry for several months. This time did go a lot better. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe.
You got faith in this one?
Yeah. It was still a little bit wet, I didn't realize that. So now we put it out in the sun, and now it's really pretty dry, but it's not totally dry, so if it doesn't work, that's the reason why. Yeah, it's gonna smell real bad. Look at that shot, yeah, baby. I mean, I'm not horribly disappointed.
Neither am I.
Well, we learned a lesson, Garrett.
What did we learn?
It's gotta be dry.
I'm gonna go help them out.
Yep.
No, they're not doing that.
Come on. So I spent a long time like trying to figure this stuff out. When you start with mercury 2 chloride and you add in thiocyanate, it should precipitate out mercury 2 thiocyanate right away, but it wasn't, and I was getting really ticked off. So I've been working on this since like December. It's June now. So if you add in iron 3 chloride, ferric chloride, you put that in your solution of mercury 2 chloride, and you add thiocyanate until it turns red. It's that simple. Mark my words, cameraman, they will be a success. A little bit wet, but not really. Not really. I need a lighter, Garrett. This isn't powerful enough. It will work, but it needs a lighter.
But there's no lighter fluid in the garage.
Is there any hairspray?
I can go look for some. How dangerous is that?
I'm not gonna like do the shh, but I could.
There you go.
All right.
Goodbye.
So, if our project was nature, this is what I thought it was gonna be. This is what it was. Every time. Why do good things happen to good people? That's how you do it. That is how it goes.
Why isn't it reacting anymore?
I don't know, Garrett. Why are we... Why do I... what? Is that fire, like, not hot enough? Like... What? What happened, Garrett? It's because I got it wet, isn't it? Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy.
Forget about it. You okay? Should I stop recording?
No.
Please?
No.
Should I stop recording? Sure. Tyler. It's done.
It's not done.
Oh my god.
What's that?
Today went worse than the last time.
Because you don't have a lighter.
You're blaming it on me. Where's the propane torch?
Propane torch is too much. Match is nothing.
I'm gonna hit stop.
No, hold on. I learned my lesson. That's what life's about, you know? Doing something wrong again, doing something wrong another time, and then it'll work. After you do something wrong one more time. Yep. Everyone, do you want to rotate the table and try another truck small portion?
Sure. Let's do it.
How about we do half? We see how it looks, and then we'll make up our mind. Or should we just wait?
Cons if we quit today.
We have to wait longer.
How much longer though?
A week.
Cons if we do it today.
There is a risk factorial.
Like?
It is minutely raining. It's not the best weather to ignite this. These are the cons. The wind is upsetting. What if we just took this big piece? That looks like a lot, right? Because it is a lot. But we have a lot left also.
I'm not gonna bother asking how you feel about the next run, or if you think it's gonna go well. At this point, hope is a dangerous thing.
I think Obi-Wan Kenobi said that.
Really? Oh.
Crap. Oh.
That's
It is
not
windy.
good.
Isn't it?
All right.
You see this?
Yeah,
That's wind.
that's a leaf, but okay.
We want that. So we've got this thing, which is really nice. Because
Right, it blocks the wind.
it blocks it. Problem is, by the powers of air convection, it can come in, or it could come in. It's going to want to get in there.
Right.
So if we draped this in a flame-resistant lab coat, such that the lab
Such
coat,
as the one that you wear?
the one that I wear, yes. If we could drape the reaction in my lab coat, then I'm gonna go grab it actually.
Even if today isn't a success, I feel like it's gonna be okay. Like, I don't feel massively disappointed. We didn't hype it.
Yeah. Let's wait for this. We're being attacked right now. There it comes. There it is. You feel that. I feel it too. Ah! Hit me right in the eyeball.
What did?
The raindrop did.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That doesn't look very good.
But a lot happened.
But a lot happened. But why didn't it work more? Because our tests worked pretty decent.
So I think when we use too much at once, too much of that mercury.
I think we can use too much at once, though. I think the issue is that it's wet. So when you use a little bit, it's okay if that sticks in water.
Wait, okay. So
What I'm saying is it's in water.
It's
No, I'm
humid
saying
out, but
that
it's also too.
I also made that today, so it's got a little bit of water in it still. It's not that dry.
Well, shit.
4 or 5. That's a lot of stuff to work with. And then that way,
But how much is that gonna make?
I'm just afraid if we cluster it like we did last time, that maybe the inside of it isn't going to ignite as well.
That's good.
So what do we do different this time?
We gave up for a month.
Looking good. Thoughts?
It looks really good. You can see there's a lot of stuff. If that thing happened up the side, I really like that. What do you think? I mean, obviously we're gonna have many different ones of these. Is that okay?
Yeah. With what we got, yeah.
Do you think people will be okay with that? Well, because we have like one
do you
clear
mean?
one.
What do you mean?
We can present this with no edits maybe, and then we can show a bunch of cuts. I'm nervous about a bunch of cuts because we got so many dislikes on silver. That was a total mess, but it was like a cool mess.
It was a cool
I
mess.
think we can, with that clip being a wide shot, I think we can pair that with some of the other clips where too much of it goes up at once, and get like a pretend it's all one maybe. What if we just did one more, and then I left enough to do some tiny macro shots because I don't actually have too much.
You want to do a wide shot then?
Yeah.
I can taste it so hard right now.
Air.
What's your biggest takeaway from all this?
Not worth it. Today went a solid 8 out of 10. It was pretty good. The first take was probably the one we're gonna use for the wide shot. There were a variety of other efficient takes. We did a bunch of macro lens stuff that looked pretty cool. Overall, it all worked, and there was no sadness, and it's a nice day out. Look. Blue. Other days were not so good. But things were learned. Things were learned that led to this day. Such as, it has to be dry. Kind of a little shaky for my likings though. It's like the cameraman couldn't breathe or something.
It's good to be back. This has been Chemistry in Context, and until next time,